Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix unable to find a party server in Apex Legends. First of all, you have to check your internet connection. Open your browser and search there fast speed test, and then you have to open the first website as fast.com. It will automatically detect the speed of your internet. If the speed of your internet is enough to support the game, then you will not find this type of error. You have to just open the down detector website in the new tab. Here you can check that if the game server is down, then you have to wait for some time and your problem will be resolved automatically. If not, then you have to move to the next step. Just open your cmd command and run it as an administrator. After this, you have to put a specific command here, which is ipconfig space and then slash, and then you have to just put the flash t and s in one word and then hit the enter. After doing so, you have to just put another command here like net sh and then space and then winsock, then space again and then reset and then hit the enter again. After doing so, you have to put the third command as well, which is net sh and then space and int then space ip then space and reset and hit the enter. After doing the same process, you have to just restart your pc or laptop, and after this process your problem will be resolved. If not, then you have to just move on to the next step. You have to just open the control panel in your pc or laptop, and then you have to just click on the network and the internet option here, and now click on the network and the sharing center here. After this, a new page will be open for you. You have to just click on your internet connection and click on the properties option here, and a new pop-up will be open for you. You have to just click on the fourth option here, which is internet protocol version 4. Just double click on this option and again a new pop-up will be open for you. You have to just click on the use the following DNS server address and put here the address 8888 and then again 88 and 44 and then press OK. After changing your DNS address, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If mind one thing that this problem is due to the density of the Death Stranding server. As you know, Epic Games recently gifted Death Stranding. Because of this, the Death Stranding servers may not be able to handle the players density. If this is the case, you can try to solve this problem by using VPN. So that's all for this video. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.